Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we have an update on PayPal hiring. So they are hiring for two different roles. So one is for the software engineer, that is for backend, and that too they are looking for Java developer. And the second one, so it is purely for the front end engineer. So these are the two roles they are hiring for. So we shall see the job details for both of these roles. So the role one, that is a backend engineer, that is for Java. So we shall see the job details for this. So the role they are hiring, it is for the software engineer for the backend, and the job type, so it's a full-time job, and the salary of the CTC, so it ranges from 13 to 20 lakhs per annum, and so it might be more than this based on your interview performance. And the mode of office, so it's work from office, and which will be hybrid, like 3 days office, and the preferred, like the work location will be Chennai as well as Bangalore. So these are the two different job locations, so you can choose any of the locations as per your wish. So coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so you need to have the bachelor's degree in computer science or any other related streams, so they are eligible to apply. And the experience, so this role it is for experienced graduates with 3 to 5 years of experience in backend development, so they are eligible to apply for this particular role. So then coming to the tech stack which is needed to apply for this, so the programming language, so as they're looking for the Java developer, so it is good to have knowledge on Java programming, or else if you have knowledge on Python or Ruby on Rails, so that one is also preferred. And so the frameworks like Spring MVC or Hibernate is needed, and the databases SQL as well as NoSQL, and the cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. So these are the tech stack which are needed to apply for this, and apart from that you need to be strong in data structures and algorithms. So coming to the selection process for the role one, that is a backend engineer. So the round one, it will be the coding round or the online assessment, and the test platform, so it will be the hacker rank. So the complete details about the test and the questions, everything we'll discuss in the next video. So the round two, it will be purely on data structures and algorithms, the coding problems on data structures and algorithms, so DSA. And the round three, so it will be on core Java coding as well as low level designing. And lastly, like the round four, so it will be like a discussion with the managerial round, in which it will be based on your resume, and also high level designing. So these are the total rounds which are included in the selection process. So this was about the first role, and the second role, it's a front end engineer. So the role, it's front end engineer, and the job type, so it's a full time, and same the mode of office is hybrid, so work from office hybrid 3 days, and the salary of the CTC ranges from 13 to 20 lakhs per annum, and the work location for this, it's only Bangalore. So this is the only location. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so it's also like bachelor's degree in computer science or the relevant fields, and so experience for this is more than like 3 to 3 plus, so more than 3 plus years of experience is needed to apply for this role. So coming to the skills which are required to apply for this, so you need to have experience in the client server side, so JavaScript programming is needed, so HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the framework like React, so React JS is needed, and the Node and Webpack, and the code versioning tools such as Git as well as CI or CD pipelines, and knowledge of RESTful APIs, as well as if you have knowledge on GraphQL, so it will be an added advantage for this particular role. So then coming to the selection process, so same like first will be the resume screening, then there will be online assessment, the platform that is HackerRank platform, and there will be technical interview, so which will be purely on the front end. So then last will be the managerial round. So these are the four rounds which are included in the selection process. So this was the complete details about both of these roles. And so the preparation guide and the interview questions we'll discuss in the next video. So the link for both of these roles, so it will be provided separately in the description, so you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.